Do you wait for someone to speak with you? Yes, I am Pragati Mishra from Uttar Pradesh, and today I am here with day 25 of my English speaking journey. Hey my dear friends, today I will tell you how can you practice English speaking alone at your home. So today I am here with solution of this question. You can practice English alone. So let's talk about some methods. The first one is method number 1 is self-talking method. Yes, don't think it's crazy. It's one of the useful method which I followed and right now I'm sharing with you and I still follow. Okay. So, when you wake up early in morning or whenever you wake up, start speaking with yourself. Okay. So, think in English. So, speak that thinking, whatever you think in your mind, speak that in English. For example, I am waking up. Right now, I am brushing my teeth. I am going to college. Or today, I will upload this video. So, such sentences speak daily. Okay, whatever you think, speak that and try to express with yourself. And if you follow this method daily, it will become your habit to think in English and express yourself. So for this, you don't need perfect grammar. Okay, and after making this your habit, you will see a lot of changes in yourself. A lot of changes includes fluency, increase in confidence. So 5 to 10 minutes of a day for this method. So let's move to method number 2, which is for the scrolling social media. Hey, my dear friends, we all scroll social media in a day. As a major part, we spend in social medias. So, Instagram, YouTube's, or Facebook's, such apps are basically consuming our time and we scroll them blindly. But use them smartly. Now start scrolling, but with the purpose of learning. It is useful, but when you apply, it is hard to start, but it is not impossible because we use social media for our entertainment. And what if we start scrolling them for our learning? So it can create a big difference in our journey of speaking English. So I'm not going to tell right now in I'm not going to explain it deeply, because as I explained in my previous video that how to scroll Instagrams, YouTube, Facebooks, or any other social medias smartly for learning English speaking. So smartly scrolling can of course create a huge difference in your journey. So let's move to method number 3. Method number 3 is start recording yourself. Hey, my dear friends, recording with 1 or 2 minutes, whatever you are expressing, try to record, open any camera and record for 1 to 2 minutes and notice your speaking. Okay, where you stop, where you are getting nervous, and the most important, your filler words, which words you are repeating most. Okay, I would say that it is one of the important method which I am using and which helped me a lot to increase my confidence, because when we observe ourselves carefully, then only we can start increasing our confidence, because at that time we all know that whatever we are making mistakes and where we are going to get nervous. Okay, so start observing yourself very carefully. This method tells us that when you observe yourself, you can become familiar with your challenges, and after getting familiar, you can overcome those challenges. And whatever mistakes you are making while recording, try to improve that. So last method, which is method number 4, is shadowing practice. Yes, it is fourth step, but this fourth one is important or used by those people whose English is quite good, or trying to get their good good in try to become trying to improve their accent or speed, and as well as confidence will increase automatically with every method. Here shadowing is basically refers to a method. For example, when you play any short videos for 30 to 60 seconds, play it and speak along the speaker. Okay, so Accent improvement is basically last method which I would recommend for me also. So many times I say a lot of pronunciations and accent are different, but I believe it important. But start with method number 1, who are afraid to speak alone. Hey my dear friends, you are not alone. I also started speaking alone, and confidence was very low, views were low, but my practice was high, and that's why I'm on my day 24 video, which is I'm recording today. So, hey, my dear friends, start with yourself. Don't wait for anyone or don't wait for perfect time. Tomorrow will be Festival of Colors, that is Holi celebrations. Hey, my dear friends, happy Holi to you all, and bring colors in your life also as like that colors. Happy learning. Keep moving forward. Bye bye.